something.
Alright, so I seen this video and it was somebody who was being pretty much rented to be out with somebody else, right? It was guys or girls would rent them. And they even restaurants even hired him just to sit there to eat so that the place didn't look so empty, deserted. Like, sign me up. Honestly, whatever restaurant, whatever company, whatever person is out there that needs somebody for anything, please rent me out. Okay? Rent me out. This guy's making bank, hanging out, doing just accompanying somebody. And in the video, he really didn't even interact much. You know, he just kind of gave it as minimum as possible. I am willing to talk, hang out, be your best friend, honestly, because I don't mind. That's just who I am. I like people. I like to talk. I like to hang out. I want to get to know you. I want to see what we can do to make life much better for each other, honestly. So, yeah, you know, honestly, that kind of opportunity, like, my gosh, that guy has it good. And I want in. I really want in on that. So, for anybody out there, allrandomsomething.com, you can rent me out. That is my new side hustle. Rent me out. Rent me. So if you're in California, or if you're in Wyoming or New York, or I don't care where you're at. You could be in Japan. If you got the funds, take me with you. Whatever you need. You need me to wait in line. You need a partner for an event. You need this. You need that. You just want company. You want someone to talk to. You just want to say you did it. I rented this guy out and I just took a picture with him. I don't care what the scenario is, okay? Rent me out, okay? This is my side hustle. I need to make some money and I want to have fun doing it. And I think this is a fun way to make money. I'm looking at maybe 45, 50 an hour. I think that's fair right now. You know, my time is valuable, and of course, everything needs to be paid. So if you're gonna travel me out to any kind of place, traveling fees, all that stuff need to be paid for. I'm not gonna ask for nothing but what is the most common sense of being paid for, right? The necessities, the travel to get to you, and the travel to come back. Food, which honestly I don't eat much, so you know I'll be fair with a lot of it, you know. But if you want to be, hey, I got it, okay, whatever. But at the end of the day, I'm a minimalist, or I don't need much. I just need money to provide for my family, my bills, and I want to do it while being happy, you know, making money while being happy and doing something unique and different. So rent me. I've got many kind of skills, I got many skills, a little bit of trade here and there, but overall, people friendly, good communicator, genuine soul kind of person. You know, I really do care about you, even if I don't know you right now, even if you're talking smack. You know, at the end of the day, I want everybody to be okay, be happy. It's a hard world out there, that's for sure. I want in on this side hustle. So this guy's doing it good, and it kind of inspired me to create it. So on allrandomsomething.com, I'm gonna make a section where you're gonna see rent me. That's gonna be like when you first go on the page now, like rent me out, rent me. I want to be rented. I want to be traveling. Let me see the world. Show me your world. I could be a camera person. I could be, honestly, I could be anything you need. Trust me. Let's get it done. And if you have any questions, message me. If you have any doubts, message me. Or if you're just ready to go, let's go. Tell me when, where. Show me the web, the place, the email, whatever the hell. Show me what I need to see, and let's get moving. I'm ready. I'm ready to go today. I'm actually ready to go tomorrow. No, yesterday. I'm ready to go yesterday. Let's go. I'm ready. Rent me out. I gotta find like a little name for it. I think rent me out is already taken, but we're gonna do this. I'll see you guys soon, and tell me what you think. I'll ram something.